Welcome back, guys. Today we will go over on how to create an app in Salesforce platform environment. And then when we talk about apps, basically we are referencing to this apps. You can compare the if you click on App Launcher, you can see various types of apps, right? That already pre-configured comes with a Salesforce org. In my case, it's developer org. And I will give you an example of two apps. One of them is obviously everybody, I assume, knows, the sales app, and the second will be the service app or service console too. So today we will try to create something on our own, right? Similar to this one. And then basically app is just basically you launch and you have a home page, you have tabs and objects specifically configured or belonging to this app. And we also know that objects can be shared between apps. In this case, service has accounts, and then sales has an accounts object for its application, right? So we will create something of our own, and I will quickly show you how to do that. Sweet. So we're in a backend of our org, and let's go to quick find and type app manager, and then this will list all apps currently existing on your org. You can see the number, the name of the app, developer, API name, description, as well as you can see what type of app it is. Is it classic or lighting? We can also see if it's visibility, right? Cool. Okay, so in order to create an app, you have to go to a new lighting app. Don't worry about new connected app for now. We will talk about this in the future lessons. So here's, you specify the app name. In this case, I will say Firuz Car Shop. So I will be probably opening a dealership, right, for you guys. And and I would like to sell Tesla Cybertrucks or Tesla cars. Well, hopefully they will let me, but I assume they won't. So anyways, I can go ahead and specify my own color, and I can also upload an image. I'll upload this funny image of our Einstein on a bicycle. Hex color. Okay, sweet. We specify that part. Let's click next. So here you specify what type of app, navigation style. You can click standard or console navigation, and then I will actually talk about difference in my other videos about styling. Availability, if it's going to be available on desktop or phone. In this case, my app is going to be available in both. Setup, let's leave this for now on default. Click next. On utilities, you can specify and add utility item such as like a micro or quip, notes, whatever you can add, even flow, right? So just to save agents time. But for now, I don't want to show you this part. We will click next. Here, I specify what items or objects I want to display on my section of the app, and I will display department object, incident, something that also other apps will share. It's a contacts, and let's say also opportunities. This part I selected and I dragged it to my section. Click next. Here's the important part, guys. Make sure security level and access level is defined properly. So in my case, I am an admin user. So in that case, I need to specify the admin to selected section, so it's gonna be available for me as an admin. I can also drag any other profile. So identity profile, and then we have marketing profile. So those users who have those profiles will have an access to my app. Click save and finish. Sweet, guys. Let's refresh. And currently I'm on the backend still, but I can still go to the section, view all my apps. Let's view all of my apps. On the bottom you can see Fearless Car Shop showed up with description my dealership. I can drag it to the top. Let's click close. And now here's my app, guys. Fearless Car Shop. You guys see the color? It's matching the Tesla icon. So I have the 4 objects I predefined or brought right here, and this is very custom. Now it just specifically belongs to me, and I am excited to do my business, guys. Welcome to my car shop. Thank you.